guys, so what is up? I'm going to make a video on how to do your hair. And there's my dog over there sleeping. It's my mom recording. So today I haven't done my hair for a while. So I use Axe because I need to get a better gel, but you get a decent amount, you put it in your hand like this, then usually it takes me a good 10 minutes, but I'm going to try to do it fast today. So you know, I can do a mohawk. A little bit more. There's still going to be a lot of gel, but how does it look, Mom?
Good.
How does it look?
Good.
Okay. So, my mom's gonna do take my dog and stuff. I'll be back because I need to check in the mirror. It'll be a fast second. Okay, I washed my hands too. I'm gonna be back. I'm putting this away too. So I am back and I am done. Good. This is my third video today, so Mama sleepy. Okay. Tired. So I tried this challenge. Nothing happened because it wasn't helium. Mom, was there helium in this?
I don't know.
Because it was not, my voice did not change one bit. So I'm gonna go get my drone thing so I can buy this for a second. That is it. That's all I wanted to do today. So, sorry, Marty. I'm tired. So, peace.